Here's a retake of the 2022 Kone MonoSpace MRL Traction lift at Goodlife Gym at Toowong Village. Here it comes. It's on gallery at the moment, so to key card, I don't know why, and there's glue or I don't know, or silicone, whatever they used. Glue or silicone or whatever they used to glue it in together. I'd say they probably used silicone because I can feel it. Here it is. LCD indicator. Go to 2. Door close button works, I like that. Hello? Lift number 7, Toowong Village, 9 Sherwood Road. Safe working load, 1600 kilograms, 21 persons. Equipment number 44597275. We'll hop out here and have a look at the view. It's a beautiful view. Alright, I think down there is St. Lucia. And that street there is Jefferson Street. And there are 2 buses. And there is Toowong Tower, look how high it is. There's another bus. It's a beautiful view. Now we'll go back down. It's an MRL because there's the cone plate and there is the cabinet. It's on B1 at the moment. It's coming. Lift operating hours Monday to Thursday 4 AM to 10 PM, Friday 4 AM to 10:30 PM, Saturday 6 AM to 10:30 PM, Sunday 8 AM to 10 PM. Here it is. It's going to be one. We'll do a cab view. And back here's a blank button that absolutely does nothing, even though it's still light up. I wonder what happens when. Oh, there it goes. Beautiful blank button.
Ground floor.
But I prefer the old Otis, to be honest.
Ground up. Second floor. Going down.
Gotta be one.
Going down.
That picture was taken. Sorry. That picture was taken before the lift was put in. That picture was taken when the old Otis was here.
Oh, you're staying in there?
You going up?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You came down.
Because I'm a YouTuber.
Oh. What particular subjects?
Lifts, I film elevators. Because they're my obsession.
Is that right?
Yep.
Make good money?
Yep.
Oh.
That's the wrong level. Going up to which level?
Going to.
That one? Okay.
Going up.
Alright, we'll end the video at gallery. And then that's all the lifts. That's it.